What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Wednesday and that means it's time for phrasal verb of the week. And tell me, have you heard of the phrasal verb pick up? And did you know that this phrasal verb doesn't just have 1, 2, 3, 4 or even 5 different meanings, but 6 different meanings? I mean, that's crazy, right? But don't you stress. Today we're going to look at all 6 meanings. We're going to use simple sentences to make it more clear, and by the end of this video you'll be able to use all 6 meanings in your daily conversations. So let's not waste any more time and let's go look at that first meaning. To lift something. To take something from a lower position using your hand or hands. And if we look at an example to make it a little bit more clear, we can say, please pick up your shirt from the floor. So that's our first one. Let's move on. Let's go look at our second meaning. To collect someone or something. To go and get a person or item. And a nice example we can use is, I'll pick you up from the airport at 8 o'clock. And also we can use it when we're asking someone to buy something. For example, we can say, please pick up some milk at the shop on your way home. That's number 2. Let's look at number 3. To learn something quickly or easily. To acquire knowledge or a skill without formal learning or great effort. And the example we can use is, she picked up Spanish while living in Mexico. So that was number 3. We're halfway. Let's move on to number 4. To improve or increase. To get better, faster, or more active. And a great example we can use to illustrate this one is, sales usually pick up during the holiday season. So are you guys keeping up? Do you recognize or know any of this meaning? Let's move on to number 5. To resume something. To continue something after a pause or an interruption. And this one we use a lot in our daily conversations, and our example is, let's pick up the meeting after lunch. So that was number 5. One more to go. Let's look at number 6, our final meaning of the phrasal verb pick up. To catch or detect something, like radio signals, sounds, illness, etc. To receive or send something. And I'm going to give you 2 examples for this one. And the first example is, the microphone didn't pick up your voice. Or we can also say, she picked up the flu from her colleague. So this is also quite a common one we use in our daily English conversations. Wow, that was a lot to take in, but I hope this video was helpful. And now you guys know all the 6 different meanings of the phrasal verb pick up. And now you can make use of it in your daily conversations. As always, I would really appreciate it if you guys like and subscribe to my channel. That would definitely help me a lot. And I would be so grateful. Well, once again, thank you everybody for watching, for liking, for subscribing. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.